Okay guys, so you might know me from Jackson's EAS scenario vids, but I'm just uploading on my my mother's iPad. This is the first video recently. So I just want to tell you thank you for 13 subscribers on Jackson's EAS scenario vids. I was like, alright guys, hold on. Let me do like the, oh crap, wait, can I stand it? Can I stand it? Oh yes. Okay, so this was, I was like, wait. Hey mom. Hi please. Hi there. Mom, what?
I said, hey.
Oh, hey.
Hey.
So I was like,
Okay, I think my back's out. It's standing.
yo, and also guys, I'll show you guys the park. Okay, ready? Okay, I'm gonna jump from this to step. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Don't try that at home. Yeah, I think it's extremely dangerous, so don't try that at home. So I'm gonna try the fourth. 1, 2, 3, 4. See if I can make it. Wait. This one to make it double. Here I go. Okay, I'm scared. 3, 2, 1. Oh. Okay, I'm not gonna do that one. Don't try that at home, kids, cause I would have just gone looped. Oh, that hurt me. So I did it on, hold on, this step. I jumped right there. I'm not gonna jump at the camera because then I drop the camera. I'll be bad and I'm gonna pay for it, which is gonna be bad. So I'm originally a part of Jackson's EAS scenario vids, but I can't make it because I'm at my grandmother's house. Why am I like trying to look at the camera? Oh my god, whatever. Okay. So I just want to say that thanks for 13 subs. And thanks for those 340 something views, 343 views for watching my video called You Know the Rules, So Do I. Say goodbye. And also make sure to like my scenario. This baby is gone because I'm extremely sick. And I'm going to show you guys something. I'll be just right back. Alright guys, I'm going to jump off from here, but that's not the thing. Okay. Got a fan? Okay, let me just go. Okay guys, I'm back. Meet Wolfie. He's the best guy ever, so look. He's a slap band. Look at his cute little face. Look at his cute little face. Ah. Hey, I'll do something insanely sick, okay? Oh, I'm safe for this. Oh. Nah, grab this lock. The lock. Yes. Oh my god, why is it so quiet up here? Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys how my dad's trying to stand it. Hold on. So you guys. Bottle 9. We're gonna show it like this. So guys, I'm gonna drop it from this area. So like I'm gonna back it up and hold it and like, me. I believe. No. Look at this. R.I.P. Wolfie. There we go, look. There, guys. I'm gonna face it. Okay. Okay, I got him. I'm gonna get out of here and go get him. So this, whoa. So this is what happened to Wolfie. So you're right here, Wolfie. And also, I guess I'm gonna be right back, and I'm gonna show you guys an anthem that I pretty much like. So be right back.
Toby!
Hey, Mom. Mom. Can I use your phone so I can show the viewers something?
Oh, Liz Cheney, she's a joke. Is this it? No, this isn't it. Maybe you do by yourself.
Me?
Oh.
Dad, can I use your phone to show something for the viewers?
Here, good viewers. Check it out.
Let's go.
Do they have to be white? Completely? This is a big thing.
Okay, guys, I'm back. It took me a while, but let me just. It's something on YouTube, by the way. I'm gonna put you guys right here. So I don't have to go up. Make it clear. Okay. So YouTube. So guys, this is the best video ever. Oh, shut up. Okay.
What? Timmy! Where?
Okay. Okay, here it is. Alright, guys. I'm gonna show you guys this. So it's gonna be full screen.
There are so many reasons that people
Huh,
love to play
stupid
Candy
ad.
Crush. If you haven't tried Candy Crush yet, definitely.
How can I? Like this. Okay. What the freaking ad? Wait, you can remember? Okay. So guys, it's pretty insane. I'm gonna turn down the volume. Oh, crabs. How do I turn this thing down? Oh. It's pretty loud. I watch out for extremely different language that's Soviet Union language.
Oh, Jackson, give me my phone, buddy.
Soviet Union language.
Did you all see that it's Easter?
Dad! Dad, I'm trying to show the viewers something.
The rabbits are saying hello to you,
They
Jackson.
the viewers.
Jackson, please pay attention to the rabbits. Pay attention to the rabbits, Jackson. Gotta see the rabbits.
Okay, guys, I'll be right back. Okay, where's the
See
rabbit?
the rabbits? All over the place is rabbits.
Wow, rabbits!
See all the rabbits? And here's eggs. There's all the eggs.
Rabbits
In fact, I
everywhere.
can put the light on. You can see the eggs in there.
Okay, guys, I'm back. Sorry for the interruption, but I had to do it. Okay. I'll be singing along with you. Sails down the sea in the smoothest republic. We on the hair. Many from your heart. so the person that like doing that thing on like that kind of was like one of like the things I want to capture Kevin from continuing. So we have a flag. Ray Ross. Okay, so that is a USSR anthem. Shut up. Oh my guys.
How do you want to cook the balls? You see them? The noodles. You want to cook them?
Okay guys, so that was a USSR anthem. I don't know why I'm making this video for so long. I'm just doing like dumb stuff and stupid stuff and just stuff. You know, I've been doing some reacting a lot. I don't know why I named my channel. Yes. Oh shit, I forgot to just show you guys something. Whoa. Wait. Yo, that's insane. What? Look at this. Look at that. Hey guys, I want to show you something Among Us, but I can't show
That face up.
on bed.
Is that small still?
Hey mom. Okay. As you may not know, there is a
where's your,
What's this?
Outside in the, I don't know if I have any out of the package.
I'm gonna get.
You leaving us? I can't wait to see my earrings.
It runs.
Same length.
Okay, okay. I don't know what to do now. So just end the video. So guys, thanks for 13 subs again on Jackson Scenario Vids channel. If you guys like it, smash that like button. We'll see you next video. Bye.